Get paid daily from the comfort of your home with this brand new website that I'll share with you in today's video. It works for absolutely free and it is available worldwide, so anyone can join, even a beginner who has never made money online before. In order to get the desired results, make sure to follow me step by step till the end of this tutorial, and you can learn also how to earn PayPal money. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you are new to this channel and you haven't already, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World and hit the notification bell on if you want to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you love this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me any question about this tutorial. So with that said, I'm going to start right away with this video so I can show you every single step. And just like I mentioned at the beginning, this is a brand new website that I've never mentioned in this channel before, so just stay tuned until the end in order to get every step right. So I want you to just go over to Hive Micro, and it's over at hivemicro.com. This platform is going to get you paid in extra money by doing some small jobs that you can do anywhere, anytime, and from any device, since they offer a desktop version just like I'm right now, but also an app on Google Play Store and App Store that you can download on your Android or iOS device. You're going to earn real money, real cash, and they pay you in PayPal money actually, but also cryptocurrency if you want to, since they offer Bitcoin as the payment method. So if you want to, you can check out the app on Google Play Store and App Store. You're going to notice that here in App Store they got only 42 ratings with 2.6 stars, which is not very good actually, but you can just give it a try or just use the desktop version on your computer. And here on Google Play Store it's called Hive Work, and they got more than 1 million of downloads with 3.3 stars. So what you need to do actually right now is to just scroll a little bit here on their homepage to see more information and feature about this platform. First of all, let's see the steps. It works like this. You're going to sign up with your email address or your Facebook account if you want to. You can apply for jobs that you're going to see on your dashboard. You're going to complete some tasks and you're going to just get paid through PayPal or Bitcoin in weekly payments. So let's see some of the tasks that they offer, just like drawing a box around an object, categorizing the scene in an image, transcribing audio to text, and tracking the same object across frames in a video. You can see here that the reason that you're getting paid is because some small startups, universities, and larger companies came to this platform in order to solve some big problems, just like banning hate speech, making video searchable, building autonomous vehicles, and so on. They pay this platform, and then this platform just split the revenue with you that is going to be the one that is going to complete those tasks and do those jobs. So by scrolling down, you're going to see that this community has more than 1.5 million of users, as you can see, and it is available in more than 200 of countries. So any country in the world is available. Actually, you're going to see it even after the sign up process. You're going to see over here that they have earned more than 2 million of dollars, and some testimonials as well of people from Philippines, Venezuela, India, Mexico, Argentina, and so on. You can scroll down to see also some frequently asked questions, just like what you need to do to create an account. Just like we saw before, you just need to create an account with your email address or your Facebook profile. Then also you can use an app for your Android or iOS device. How you're going to earn money: you're going to complete some tasks that you're going to have on your dashboard, and you're going to see your account balance growing. Also, they are going to give you some harder and also easier tasks. You can just complete the one that you want, but of course the harder ones pay you the most. And you're going to see that you're going to get the qualification test for each of the jobs, so you can see how to make them work and how to make money. Also, it's absolutely free. You don't need to pay any money to join, but also there is no fee when you cash out or when you continue working with this platform. And you're going to see that you can actually get paid, and you can even try it out for yourself, just like they say right here. Just create an account with this platform. You can click on the sign up button in the upper right corner or here on Get Started with Hive Micro. You're going to just sign up by putting your full name, email address, a password, confirm the password, choose your country, and you can see that it is available all around the world. Choose your language. How did you find them? You can say YouTube, of course. Then you're going to just agree to a terms of service and privacy policy. You need to be over the age of 18, and then complete the captcha and click on the submit button. Of course, if you want to, you can even continue with your Facebook account because it is a lot faster and a lot easier. So once you create your account, they are going to send you an email, so make sure to check out your inbox because you need to verify your email address in order to be able to start with this platform. After that, you're going to see that they are going to ask you to complete some other fields as well, just like your demographic information, profile, payment, when you're going to put your payment information and so on. And you can just put your language competency, English or another language as well, your age group, gender, race, education, and so on. You can even skip this for now and view the jobs. You can do this even later on. So just go over here to your dashboard by skipping that part, and you're going to see all of the tasks available. You can just scroll and filter them here by all, beginner friendly if you are a beginner, your jobs, featured jobs, new jobs, and so on. You can even select the difficulty if you want, and also how much money you're going to get paid for each of them, or you can just choose the one that you pay the most. So you can see here that they pay you like $40 per 1,000 of tasks. Of course, it is not a lot of money, but it's still a good way to earn some extra money online every single week because they pay you weekly. And you're going to notice here that some of them pay you even more than this. So just scroll down. You can even explore this your dashboard actually a little bit more to see how much money you can make and what kind of tasks you need to complete in order to get paid. So what I want you to show right now is the leaderboard. So just go over to the leaderboard section so you can see how much money people are making with this platform. I've selected all time over here to see the first person and some other people as well that have made the most money. This one here has made like more than $6,000, and this person has completed over 2,000 of tasks. But as you can see, the second person has made less money, like more than $5,000, and he has completed more than 1 million of tasks, which is pretty crazy actually, because the first person has completed a lot less and has managed to make even more money. So it depends on you, on the kind of tasks that you're going to complete to make the most money, and of course you can explore it a little bit on your own. Just like I said before, this person here has made like more than $4,000, and he has just completed more than 868,000 of tasks. So you can give it a try right away, and I highly recommend that you even focus on the one that pays you the most, the tasks that pays you the most, of course. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, you can give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to let me know what you think about this strategy. Subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.